Hey everybody, today we're going to have a real quick video for you just to show you how to change the Kymco People 250S scooter headlight ECU module. I had to Google around and try to figure out what module and where it was located. No one seemed to show you exactly where it was or the wires or anything. So I just wanted to make a quick video so that you could see exactly where you need to go in order to change this module if your headlights stop working. I ordered it online. Just Google around, and you'll find that part number. Order it. It's about 40 bucks. And this is going to be a short video, real brief, just showing you where to look and how to access it without taking the entire bike apart. So let's get started. I had a problem with my headlights not cutting on, so I replaced the head bulbs, and it turns out that I needed this module here. This controls the headlights, so I ordered a new one. It took me about 3 weeks to come. Can't remember, I think it was like 40 bucks, but I'll put it in how much it was. It has this little rubber strap that's supposed to, see, it's a slot here that opens, and that's supposed to go around a piece of metal way up here. But I know I ain't gonna be able to get it in there because I'm not taking all this apart. I'm just gonna jerry rig it with my hands. So I'm gonna connect it with this. This is the old piece of rubber here. Take that off. This is the old one. So we'll just put the new one in, connect this up, see if it works. It. I just wedged it in between there, so it's fine. It ain't gonna come out.